Hello, I'm going to go over the highlights of the consolidation project and the main processes that we followed in an effort to improve the detail and coordination of requirements between social care services and application management. Why did we need this project in the first place? The Council has introduced Mosaic for adult and children social care services, and although the system has business as usual support arrangement, additional requirements have built up. To meet this demand and fully realize the potential of the system, further consolidation work was proposed for a fixed period of time to benefit social care services business processes. This required a specific additional resources to deliver and manage this work. The key people involved was 2 social care practice leads, the application management support team, 1 technical report developer, and 1 project manager. This was not a project of completely new work, but one where we were 1. Tackling a backlog and some new work, 2. Adding additional capacity to mop up other work, 3. Including practice leads to give us additional business analysis capacity, and 4. Having additional skills to focus on ironing out reporting issues. The application management team continued to operate in the same way that they were doing it before the project, and therefore was doing the following: dividing the work into 1 support and 2 development, delivering monthly releases, and communicating to the services what the support workload was. This was so important because the team continued to operate as normal, but everyone was involved in different pieces of work. This was so fundamental for a smooth and seamless exit after the project finished. With the appointment of the practice leads within the service areas, there was by definition more capacity within application management to undertake business analysis. In other words, the team would normally need to do this anyway, but now that there are leads in place, there is less pressure and therefore more capacity. The process for delivering ongoing improvements, whether this was a new or an existing piece of work, needed to go through a series of steps in order to ensure that the work was fully embedded and supported. Number 1. Identification of the problem to be solved. Number 2. A solution design document. Number 3. A solution design document signed off. Number 4. Development. Number 5. Testing. Number 6. UAT. And number 7. CAP approval. When all these steps were complete, the improvement were ready to go live. As a mechanism for prioritizing work, different groups discussions were set up. For children's social care, the existing reporting group coordinated new requirements. For adults, a new adult Mosaic progress group was established. Practice leaders would then bring these priorities to the ODG group and work to ensure these were prioritized and delivered with ICT. The main purpose of the ODG meeting was to review the business requirements and finding the resources from the application management team to work with the service leads in order to undertake the business analysis, the development, the testing, and the go-live of the configuration changes in Mosaic. With the resources in place and a structure to follow, we were able to have control over the requirements, the priorities, and the delivery of the new improvements according to the plan.